All right, class, we are going to put our words in the lessons section of our notebook now. We're on page 42. All right, we're going to be in the upper, right-hand corner today. I haven't written my words from yesterday in yet, but this is going to be lesson H-2 because we're on list H, and this is our second day of it. All right, class. The first word is foot. Which do we use in foot? Good. Go ahead and write it, and then do the markings. All right, if you haven't finished yet, pause the video because I'm going to show us so we can check our work. All right, so if you did it on your practice paper, put it in your notebook now. And make sure you're doing the markings. All right, class, what is the plural of foot? All right, if you said feet, great job. We want to get comfortable using those words singular and plural, right? So the plural of foot is feet. Which E do we use in feet? Excellent, E-double-E. Go ahead and write that and mark it. Make sure you're saying the sounds while you write them. All right, and make sure yours looks like this. Let's keep on moving. All right. The next word is I, the thing you see with. We can't go with the sound, so I guess just go ahead and say the letter names while you write them. All right, this is what yours should look like. All right, nice job, class. The next word is ear. Which E do we use in ear? Excellent, E-A. Go ahead and write and mark ear. All right, I hope we've been getting these right there. I know we do need to remember which E to use, but besides that, there's nothing tricky about these words. All right, the next word is here. Which E do we use in here? Excellent, we use E-A for that one as well. So go ahead and write here and then mark it. All right, if you're not finished, pause the video. Nice job. All right, our last word is head. Class, which do we use in head? Excellent, we use E-A. So go ahead and write and mark head. All right, I hope you've gotten all the markings in. All right, great job if you had all those markings. Otherwise, we would read this and we would say heed if we've forgotten that too. That's not our word. All right, excellent job. So you have those all in your notebook now. We'll go back to our practice paper because we have time to write a couple of sentences. All right, so remember, after you write it, put your pencil down. Check, make sure it starts with, go to capital letter, it ends with Good, an end mark. And then if you read your sentence and make sure it has all the words that I said, then it will also have a subject, a predicate, and it will make sense. All right. Our first sentence is, I hurt my foot. All right, don't start yet because we want to make sure we remember it before we start writing. I hurt my foot. Make a picture in your mind. All right, class, what's the sentence? Good, I hurt my foot. Go ahead and pause the video, write it, and then check it. All right, class, we just wrote the sentence, I hurt my foot. What kind of sentence was that? That's another thing I'm trying to get us to work on, is to know the 4 kinds of sentences, so I can tell you, write an imperative sentence and you know what to do. All right, so I hurt my foot is making a statement. What kind of sentence makes a statement? It is a declarative sentence. A declarative sentence makes a statement. So I'll ask you one more time and you can tell me the answer now that you know. Class, what kind of sentence is I hurt my foot? Excellent. It is a declarative sentence. All right, our next sentence is, did you hurt your feet? Did you hurt your feet? All right, make a picture. Class, what kind of sentence, or what's our sentence? Excellent. Did you hurt your feet? All right, pause the video, write it, and check it. All right, class, we just wrote the sentence, did you hurt your feet? I hope you put a question mark at the end, because that sentence is the kind of sentence that asks a question. Who remembers the name of the sentence that asks a question? If you said interrogative, you are right. All right, so I'll ask you one more time. Let me finish my sentence, please. Or let me finish my question. All right, class, what kind of sentence is, did you hurt your feet? Excellent, it is an interrogative sentence. All right, our last sentence, I'm gonna use my voice to help you know that it's a different kind of a sentence than we've had so far. She took my glass. All right, one more time, our sentence is, she took my glass. Make a picture of it in your mind. All right, class. What's our sentence? Good. She took my glass. All right, go ahead and write it, and then pause the video, check it. All right, class. I hope you paused the video, or you probably didn't have time to write and check your sentence. All right, we just wrote the sentence, she took my glass. So I was using my voice to try and express strong emotion. What kind of a sentence expresses strong emotion? All right, this one we haven't talked about very much. That an exclamatory sentence expresses strong emotion. So I hope from the way I said it, you knew to put what kind of end mark at the end? I said it with an exclamation point at the end. I could have said she took my glass, and then it would have just had a period. It would have been a declarative sentence, another declarative sentence. But I wanted us to practice in using this kind of end mark. All right, and we use this end mark for what kind of sentence? Say it with me, exclamatory. All right. Nice job. Class, I can't wait to see your sentences. I hope they all have all 5 parts of a complete sentence. I will see you tomorrow.